guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Beauty by Niecy here. If this is your very first time, welcome to the Niecyfam. If this is not, thank you so much for always supporting. So I am very excited about today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the ultimate starter pack makeup kit for a makeup beginner. I'm talking about a newbie. You don't use makeup at all. You probably watch a few makeup videos, but you are not like really into makeup. You don't know what to do, how to start putting products together to get a kit for yourself. So if you are such a person, I need you to watch this video all the way to the end. I will also leave all the products that I have in this kit in the description box, so you might want to check the description box too. And if you are not new, you are a pro, you know what to do, you're probably an MUA, you are like certified, this video is for you too, because guess what, I need you to leave links to your videos that if you've created any like that, or any suggestions, any tweaks, or any advice that you got, leave it down in the comment section below so that all my newbies will also get more information. So if you guys are excited as I am about this video, I need you to stay tuned. I want to first apologize if this video is a little longer than my regular videos. I'll try to keep it very short and concise, but if it is a little longer, it means I have a lot to show you guys, and that is it. So usually I start with a moisturizer. I make sure that my face is moisturized. I believe that moisturizers, everybody uses moisturizer, so whatever moisturizer you have, make sure that it has SPF. If it doesn't, that is fine too. And I also moisturize my lips to get it ready for my lipstick at the end of the video. So it depends on what kind of look you want to go for. Honestly, if it is an everyday look, I will start with the skin, but because today I'm gonna add eyeshadow to it too, so that you guys can have options, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and my eyes first. And honestly, if you're a beginner, you can choose to do it either or, that is, do your face before your eyes or your eyes before your face. But for a beginner, my advice is to do your eyes first, just because you don't know if you're gonna have fallout or not. So we're gonna start with the brows, and I will try, mostly the products that I have are drugstore. That does not limit you. You can use any products that you have, whatever you can afford. So I'm using my Covergirl, what is this called again, ultra fine brow pencil, and this is in the shade 710 soft brown. And then to clean up the brows, which I really don't need to do mine, but I wanted to show you guys in case you're a beginner and you kind of mess up just a little bit. I am using a concealer. Usually I use the LA Girl Pro concealer, but a company called Eben sent me their concealers to test out for them. It's just like the LA Girl. Honestly, it's the same, pretty much the same thing with a different company. I'm just gonna use my P. Louise base. So for this base, a little goes a long way, and you want your base to be very blended and flat, like very blended, let me put it that way, with no residues of the base on your lid. So everything should be all blended out. As you can tell, this eyeshadow palette has only 12 shades. I'm sorry, it has just 12 shades in there, so you just have a little bit to work with. Now the second option that I do want to show you guys is the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. this palette is quite big, as you can tell. It has 35 or maybe 36, I'm not sure. Yeah, 35. It has 35 shades in there. I hope it's all fitting in the screen. And honestly guys, if I'm a beginner, I will not go for this palette because big palettes like these are sometimes a little overwhelming. But I just wanted to show you guys because these have several brown options that you guys can use as well. So today I am gonna use my Milani palette in a very fluffy brush like this. This is a brush from elf. Quite affordable. I am actually gonna start and I'm gonna do a very simple look, this deep brown shade right here in the corner. Hope I'm pointing to it right. We're gonna go into that shade and we're gonna place it all over the lid. You don't have to be a pro to do this. You don't have to be precise. Just place it and keep moving. But make sure that it is just on your lid. So if you want to get it a little pop for the shimmer, honestly, all you need to do is just, and I just use my hand. So let's see which shade I want to get into. And you want a shade that will kind of go with the one that you've used. So since I used the deeper shade, I'm gonna go into the deepest of the shimmers. I'm sorry, but you probably, it's gonna be hard. And just I'm just gonna use my finger like that to get it. So this is it. So the primer for today, I am going in with the Milani Prime and Protect. This has SPF 30. And make sure that you're getting your neck. It's very important. So the foundation that I'm gonna use today, I am gonna use the elf Flawless Finish foundation. Now I just have a little bit to talk about foundation selections. So guys, I had to do a voiceover here to let you guys know that this video was just taking too long than expected. So I had to cut out the part that I walked you through how to shop for foundations online and also in store. I have a lot of information on that. I've done a lot of research. So if you guys want me to do a dedicated video for beginners on how to shop for your makeup and to get your right foundation shade, leave a comment down below and I'll do so. Now this shade is not my right undertone, but I'm just using it because it's darker. And you just staple it in. I am going in with the elf Camel Concealer. And then we're setting with our Espun loose setting powder. I am using the NYX No Filter setting powder. I think I'm using the shade Deep Golden NFFP 13. And the blush that I'm using today is from Milani. It's the Baked Powder Blush. And I like this in particular because it has a lot of a bit of shimmer in it. So when you put it on the highest points of your cheeks, it looks like a blush and a highlighter. This is how it's looking. This is in the shade Rose D'Oro. Very simple, very seamless. And then for the eyes, we're not doing lashes today because I feel like lashes take a lot of practice, and if you're new, I will not recommend lashes at all. Honestly, I will not. But if you want to go for it, that is absolutely fine. So I am thinking of doing like an eyeliner, but I'm just gonna do this felt tip liner. You can also do a pencil, which is quite easier because felt tips sometimes can be smudgy, so I will recommend a pencil, but I do not have a pencil with me right now, so I'm just gonna do like a liquid liner. And I'm gonna show you guys my trick to the waterline. Anytime I'm lining, I think I have a brown, okay, I have this brown pencil. So what I do with my waterline is you can either open your eyes, oh, hold on, and line it like that without blinking. Or the other thing you can do is I put it in and then I close my eyes and then I move it. I move it around very lightly a few times. By the time you open your eyes, the entire thing is lined. And then we're gonna set the entire makeup. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set. So I will advise that you set your face before you do your mascara because I'm afraid it might smear. So that's alright. So after that, I am going in with my mascara, and this is the Milani Dangerous Lens. Okay, we are almost done. So for the lips, honestly, you are at liberty. I feel like lipstick, if you can put on chapstick, if you can put on chapstick, you can put on lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and I had to throw on a lash because I'm gonna take a picture for Instagram, so I just had to like spice it up. But as you guys already saw it without this entire look without a lash, it looked good. This is super easy. This, I mean, this is the easiest that it can get. So if you guys like this video, and if you want me to do more videos on a beginner, like start a beginner series where I just do an in-depth tutorial on the brow, on eyeshadow, on skin, whatever it is, this is just a quick overview. So if you guys want me to do that, please leave it in the comment section below so that I know exactly what you guys want, because I am here at your service. Alright guys, thank you so much. Make sure that you check the description box for a full list of all the products that I used, and also follow me on social media. The names will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.